Hey, welcome back to the Speak English podcast where your English gets smarter, smoother, and just a little sassier every single week. First off, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, liking the episodes, and flooding us with amazing messages. You guys are incredible. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an episode that could level up your English skills. Today's episode is a total fan favorite. We're diving into the world of Friends, Yes, the TV show, and we're learning everyday English phrases straight from the Central Perk gang that you can use in your real life. Let's go. Segment 1, Monica Moments. Phrase 1. Welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it. Great phrase to say sarcastically when someone is overwhelmed by adult life. Try it when your friend complains about Monday morning. Phrase 2. I know. Monica says this loudly and often. It's a fun way to agree. A little dramatically. Phrase 3. Rules are good. Rules help control the fun. Great for teachers, parents, or honestly, when you're trying to plan a game night. Phrase 4. I needed a plan to get over my man. A dramatic but funny way to talk about moving on from a breakup. Usage practice. Tip. Try repeating the lines with emotion. Don't just say them, perform them like Monica would. Segment 2, Chandler's Sarcasm School. Phrase 5. Could I be wearing any more clothes? Classic Chandler sarcasm. Use this to point out the obvious, especially when it's ridiculous. Phrase 6. I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? For those moments when you're not feeling like a therapist. Phrase 7. I'm hopeless and awkward and desperate for love. Honestly. Relatable. Funny way to joke about being single. Phrase 8. That's not even a word. Perfect for correcting your friend's made-up slang. Mini exercise. Use Chandler-style delivery to say these out loud. The tone is everything. Segment 3. Joey's vocabulary, or lack of it. Phrase 9. How you doing? Iconic Joey flirt line. Use it jokingly with friends to start a convo. Phrase 10. It's not that common. It doesn't happen to every guy, and it is a big deal. Awkward moment in the show, but you can use it to joke about any embarrassing situation. Phrase 11. Joey doesn't share food. Say this when you're not ready to split your fries. Works every time. Phrase 12. You can't just give up. Is that what a dinosaur would do? A strange yet inspiring quote. Great to cheer someone up. Challenge time. Use at least 2 Joey phrases during your next WhatsApp convo with friends. Segment 4. Rachel Phoebe Wisdom. Phrase 13. It's like all my life, everyone has always told me, you're a shoe. A beautiful way to talk about self-discovery and rejecting labels. Phrase 14. It's not that common. It doesn't happen to every girl, and it is a big deal. Rachel flipping Joey's line can be used humorously in gender conversations. Phrase 15. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Okay, this one's just fun to sing, and a great way to make someone laugh when their food smells weird. Phrase 16. She's your lobster? When someone finds their perfect match, their soulmate. Phrase 17. I wish I could, but I don't want to. A brutally honest way to say no, that's funny, not rude. And there you have it, 17 phrases from Friends that you can actually use in your real life. It's not just fun TV, it's a masterclass in conversational English, sarcasm, expressions, and timing. So go on, practice these with your friends, your coworkers, or even your pets. The more you say them, the more natural you'll sound. Before I go, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Leave a rating if you're listening on Spotify or Apple, and tell a friend who loves Friends to check this out. Until next time, remember, Joey may not share food, but I share phrases. Stay fluent, stay funny, and see you soon on the Speak English podcast.